Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make this house in PowerPoint. You're gonna take a shape, preferably a rectangle, and stretch it from corner to corner. Go to Format and change it to this. Then, take another rectangle and corner to corner, but you're gonna want the bottom. This is gonna be the grass, so you could take it up a little to the horizon line, and then make it the color of the ground. Now, there's different textures you can do, such as any of these, but I'm not going to do that. Next, we need to build the house. So, because the house is made of wood, or whatever material you want, you're going to want to go into Format, Shape Fill, and you could pick color or texture. I'm going to pick light wood. Next, you're going to take one of these picture frames, and you're going to shape it to the window. Go into Format, and make that black. Next, you're going to take the triangle, and make that the roof. You might want to bring it down to give it a realistic feel. Shape Fill. Now, that should probably fit it. Now we're going to build the door. So, another rectangle. Format. Then you're going to insert a circle. And now you down here you click zoom. Move it to where the door is. And you have the doorknob. Then you're going to fill it. So outline, you're going to want a white outline. Shape Fill, that can be black. And then this outline is going to be black. Same with this. Next, you're going to build the pathway. This. So, you're going to take the slant, and you're going to make sure that it stretches the size of the doorway. You're going to go into Format, Shape Fill, Texture, and then I'm going to pick this. Next, we're going to build the tree. So, you take a rectangle, give it a texture. Let's do this. You're going to insert a shape, and it should be in basic shapes. There's going to be a cloud. You open it. Format, Shape Fill, Shape Outline. Now to make the apples, you can insert a circle. Shape Fill, make that red. Shape Outline, make that black, and then copy. And now you could paste 3 more. And now you could put it around the edge where the apples would normally be. You could paste more. Next, we're going to be making the sign. So you're going to insert a shape. I'm going to take a rectangle. And you're going to add a text box. Here, you say for sale, and then you're going to add your price here. I did a big number. Now, go to Format, Shape Fill, make that wood. This is the same thing. And then for this, you're gonna click this, click Control Shift, and click this. And then shape effects. You're gonna want a shadow. And then you're gonna pick this one. That's all for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.